Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, beta, we all have done question 4. Have we done question 4, everyone? Have you all done question 4?
Yes, sir. I have done question 4.
Very good. Avika, have you done question 4?
Yeah.
Adeshika, Avika, Atharv, Adya, have you all done question 4?
No, sir.
नहीं करा बेटा, why? You have not done? करो बेटा, करो question 4 करो. All of you start doing question 4.
Sir, after question 4, we can play that quiz.
Okay. Okay, I am doing question 4 here. Again, those who have not done, they can check their answers. They can do it, and those who have done, they can check their answers.
Sir, after this question 4, we can play the quiz.
But we will complete the exercise first, and after that, we can have a quiz. Okay. So, company has employed 1,37,073 employees. So, first of all, bonus given to every employee. How much bonus the company is giving to every employee? Bonus given to every employee is rupees 465. Okay. Number of employees कितने हैं in the company? Number of employees, how many? 1,37,073. So total bonus amount. Total bonus amount 1,37,073 multiplied by 465. Find the product. Are you all finding the product on your own?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we are continuing only.
Sorry, what happened?
Sir, I am saying what we are doing.
But we are completing exercise 5.5. We have already done till question 3. Question 4, some of you have done, some of you are not still doing question 4. So we will complete this exercise in this period, and hopefully we will do some extra questions also. Okay, question 4. What is the answer, all of you? What is the product?
Sir, 6 crore 37 lakh 38,945.
6 crore 37 lakh 38,945. Okay, let's check.
Sir,
I
I
think
have
your
sent the
answer,
answer in the chat box.
I think the answer is correct. Yeah, it is correct.
Sir,
60,
I have sent the
sorry, 6 crore 37 lakh 38,945. This is the answer. Check your answer. Is it correct?
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good, beta. Okay. Maybe do the next one now.
Yes, sir.
Adya, beta, can you read the question?
Sir, can I read? Okay, sir.
Yes.
A club has 56,348 members and they all contribute to rupees 275 each for flood relief fund. How much in all does the club collect?
Very good. So, what is the meaning, beta?
Sir, there is a club with 56,348 members.
Hmm.
One day in that club, there happened a flood, and the members of the club contribute 275 rupees. So we have to tell how much they all correct. So, sir, we have to multiply 56,348 by 275.
Okay. Very good. So there is a club, and they are all are collecting money for a flood relief fund. Flood relief fund का मतलब समझ गए आप? There may be a flood somewhere, so they all are contributing for the relief fund. Relief fund का meaning होता है that the money that people donate for some mishappening or natural disaster, जैसे flood is a natural disaster. So उसके relief के लिए कुछ लोगों को नुकसान हुआ होगा. Some people must have lost a lot of money, lot of maybe financial loss they must have. मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों को financial loss भी हुआ होगा. So so people donate money for these people. So similarly, this club is there. They are contributing. Every member of the club is contributing 275 rupees for this, and total members are 56,348. So the total amount collected for the relief of uh, the total fund collected, you will multiply 56,348 by 275, and you will get the answer. Okay.
Sir, I have sent my answer in the chat box.
Very good. So I'm writing these statements. Okay, so let us write these statements. Money contributed by each member.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Better give your answer in the chat box. Nihit, can you give your answer in the chat box? Money contributed by each
Send the
member
answer in the
is
Sir, I have written
rupees.
the statements also and question 6 also.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
by each member is rupees 275. Okay, and number of members, how many members are there? Equals to 56,348. Total money collected.
Sir, can I tell my statements?
Yes, better tell your statement.
Members a club have money each member contribute,
Very good.
and the last statement is a money a club collect.
Okay, fine, no problem. Correct statements. So the product you have to find. Some of you have already done the product. $56,348 multiplied by 56,348 multiplied by 275. What is the product? All of you. Tell the answer.
Sir, 15495,900.
That means 1,54 lakh.
But my answer come different.
95,900.
95,700.
can tell you my answer, sir.
This is the answer. 1,54,95,700 is the answer. Yes, beta Nihit, what is your answer? What is your answer, Nihit?
Sir, my answer has come wrong. Sir, 37695077.
No. Beta check your product.
Okay, sir.
Sir, but in the last mile is coming 900.
No, beta. Adya, check again. Check it again. Nihit, beta, can you read the last question? Question number 6. Start reading.
Okay, sir. A publisher printed Sir, 3,26,174 copies of a book. If each book is sold for 164 rupees, how much money did the publisher earn? So in this question, there is a publisher.
Wait,
Who
beta. Nihit, just wait.
I can tell you the meaning of this.
Beta Nihit, can you read the question again?
Yes, sir. Sir, a publisher printed 3,26,174 copies of a book. If each book is sold for rupees 164, how much money did the publisher earn? So in this question, there is a publisher who printed, sir, 3,26,174 copies of book, and he's selling the book in, sir, 164 rupees. So, sir, we have in this question we have to tell that how much money did the publisher earn. Sir, we have to multiply 3,26,174 by 164.
Very good, beta. Absolutely correct. So here there is a publisher which printed 3,26,174 copies of a book. इतनी सारी copies उसने print करी हैं. If each book is sold for rupees 164 rupees की एक book है. So total books जो यहाँ पर total cost of the books कितनी हो गई? How much money did the publisher earn? Total cost क्या हो जाएगी? You will multiply 3,26,174 by 164. Okay. Start finding the product. All of you write these statements. Write these statements and start finding the product. Okay. Yes. Are you all doing?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, can you explain the question one more time?
Yes. Publisher, do you know what is a publisher? जो बेटा books print करते हैं जो लोग, that is known as publisher. Author is something different, publisher is something different. Author और publisher में difference मालूम है आपको? The person who writes a book is known as author. Okay. And publisher जो उसको print करवाते हैं. Okay. जो उसमें money लगा करके printing करते हैं books की, वो लोग publisher होते हैं. So and then they sell the book. ठीक है. So they are selling 3,26,174 copies of a book. Suppose जैसे आपकी मैथ्स की बुक है, so ये किसी पब्लिशर ने प्रिंट करी होगी इसको. ये द पब्लिशर इज MIT पब्लिशर. देखिए लिखा हुआ है MIT यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेस लिखा है. देखिए बुक पर बाहर देखिए पेज में देखिए सबसे ऊपर क्या लिखा है? MIT यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेस लिखा है. तो दिस बुक is published by this publisher. Publisher का नाम है ये. So suppose they have published 3,26,174 books. ऐसी बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ये बुक्स खरीदी होगी. Not only in SR International हो सकता है और भी कई सारे schools में बहुत सारे बच्चों ने ये book purchase करी होगी. So total book that they have sold, total number of books they have sold, the publisher has printed is 3,26,174 and the cost of each book, one book की cost है 164 rupees. तो total money जो earn करेगा publisher वो कैसे निकालेंगे? We will multiply the cost of each book by the number of books. Okay.
Okay,
Understood?
sir.
So number of copies printed, number of copies of the book printed, number of copies of the book printed. How many copies? 3,26,174. Cost of each book is rupees 164. So total money earned by the publisher total money earned by the publisher 3,26,174 multiplied by
So I have
164.
already sent you the answer in the chat box. Please
Very
see.
good, beta. Just wait. So
Sir, I
find the
am
product.
sending the answer in the 2 minutes.
Okay, all of you find the product. Nihit has already done. We will just check the answer. Find the product, all of you. Yes, all of you. Tell the answer.
Sir, please say what you said. Sir, I can't hear you.
Mohammad Fahad has also given the answer. Yes, I'm saying what is the answer, beta. Nihit
Sir,
Adya
I
and
can.
Mohammad Fahad have sent the answer. Let's
Sir, I
check
can
it.
answer.
Yes, Nihit, what is your answer?
Sir, 5 crore 30, sir, 33 lakhs or 49,000. Sir, sorry, sir. Sir, 5 crore 34 lakh 92,536.
Absolutely correct. Very good.
Sir, my answer is same.
Very good, Adya. Fahad, Mohammad Fahad, your answer is also same. 5,34,090.
Sir, the answer is 53495536.
55 नहीं है बेटा, वो 92536 है। और वहाँ पे 92,536 आएगा, आपने 95 कर दिया उसको। चेक करो एक बार। 5 crore 34 lakh 92,536. This is the answer. Understood?
Sir, there are only 5 participants.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा। Okay. May we do the next one? बेटा एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस करें आगे। Let me give you an extra question. Nihit Agarwal has also left the meeting. Let's do one extra question. I am writing the question on the board. Cost of each able is rupees 1,450 and cost of each chair is rupees 1,250. Find the total cost of 16 tables and 18 chairs. Start doing the question. All of you try the question, everyone. Are you all trying the question? बेटा anyone any idea how to do the question? किसी बच्चे को कुछ लग रहा है कि आप
Sir,
you
I
can do it?
have an idea.
Yes, Adya, tell.
Sir,
Yes.
we have to do this in the 3 parts, I think.
Yes. Tell what are the 3 parts?
Sir, in first part, we have to multiply 1450 from
By
16, and
very
in
good.
second
Second part.
answer in second part we have to multiply 1250 from 18.
Very
Then
good.
what we get the total of both the answers, then we will add them and we will get the answer.
Absolutely correct. Very good. Excellent. Yeah. So first we will find the total cost of 16 tables. We will find the cost of 16 tables. Then we will find the cost of 18 chairs. Okay. How will we find the cost of 16 tables? If we multiply 1450 by 16, we will get the cost of 16 tables. To find the cost of 18 chairs, we will multiply 1250 by 18. So whatever we get, the total cost of 16 tables and total cost of 18 chairs, we will add it, and therefore we will get the total cost of all the items. Understood? Very good. Excellent. Adya, you have given the answer absolutely correctly. Start doing the question.